Today I'm making some delicious, kitschy hazelnut cookies that are perfect for the holiday season. I'm starting with the dough by mixing soft butter with sugar. Thankfully, today's butter is softer than what I used for my nut triangles, so no arm workout required this time. Then I crack in an egg, toss in a pinch of salt and mix it all up before adding the flour to get the crumbly dough texture. Next I throw in some hazelnut flour because, well, they're hazelnut cookies. Once that's done, I roughly knead the dough into a ball. For some reason the dough is stickier than usual, probably the egg was bigger this time. Of course, I couldn't resist trying the dough because I'm an adult and no one can stop me. I wrapped the dough in plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour. After 1 hour, I grab my dough, flour my work surface and press it down a bit before rolling it out with my rolling pin. For some reason I'm treating the dough like I'm making pizza, I don't even know why. Normally you don't need much flour for rolling, but this sticky bad boy needs a little extra help. Then I use a glass to cut out little circles. I don't have a round cookie cutter, but this works too. Since the dough keeps sticking to the rim of my glass, I just flour it every now and then. Once I've cut out all the circles, I gather the scrapes, roll them out again and repeat the process until every last bit of dough is used. Next I place all my circles on a baking sheet and grab my heart-shaped cookie cutter. Yep, I have a heart cutter but no circle cutter. Don't ask why. I cut hearts out of half the circles, creating adorable little cookie tops. To make sure the chopped hazelnuts stick, I whisk an egg with a splash of milk and brush it over the heart-shaped tops. After that, I pop the cookies into the oven and bake them until they are golden brown. Then I realized that the cut out tops baked faster than the full circles, which looking back seems pretty obvious, but I didn't think of it earlier. To fix it, I came up with a big brain solution. I took out the golden brown tops and added a second batch of circles to the partially baked ones. That way, when the first circles turned golden brown, I could swap them out with the smaller, faster baking hearts, and everything would finish baking perfectly at the same time. I hope you're not completely confused by my baking brain, but yes, my brilliant time management has led to the desired result. But of course, I could have just baked the cookie tops separately from the bottoms, but unfortunately I wasn't that wise at the time. Now I generously spread some light colored hazelnut cream on the cookie bottoms and press the heart-shaped tops onto them. Finally, it's time to taste them. These cookies remind me of those small, delicious Giotto hazelnut balls we have in Germany. The only thing I'd maybe change is making them a bit smaller so they're easier to eat. Maybe next time I should use a shot glass to cut them out, but flavor-wise they're insanely good. That's it for now, thanks for watching.